So I made a spreadsheet to help somebody remember their daily and their weekly clicks, and I actually like it a lot, so I think I'm going to release it to the public. Aside from letting us know that it's Friday, because it's not Thursday, it's just going to show the code. But if you have someone where it is Friday, it's actually going to share their link, so you can just click it and go straight to the app. So now you don't need to worry about accidentally clicking on the wrong day. If you have multiple devices, you can pick 1 through 10. All right, so it also gives Fishland, it gives Temu and free coffee. Let's say you do 3 clicks, lets you know that there's only 2 left. You can expand this. So let's go to the list. All you have to do to populate this is put their name in, just put their code in, whatever their link is. Maybe you want to do like March 5th because it's my birthday. You clicked somebody on March 5th. Maybe they clicked you on February 8th. So you know in 7 days you can give them another click. They can give you another click after their 7 days. Actually, let's quickly do a new one. We'll do test 2, something, link, Friday. We'll do April 1st, and this is for farmland. So now if we go to farmland at the top here, we're going to want to copy it, make another row, paste it. I'm going to do Control V to paste. And then I will do test 2, and it has everything. So because it's Friday, it's going to give me the link, and it's not going to take me anywhere because I didn't actually put a real link in. And maybe I did that on device 2, and we're good. We're just going to click on the link. It's going to take us to farmland. And then for this one, we're just going to click on the link, and it's going to take us to Temu. Pretty fast, pretty easy.